hedge trimmers. It's it's designed to cut heavier hedges or more overgrown hedges. This isn't a substitution for the manual by any means. You need to read it. I'm just going over the basics of it so that you can see in your mind's eye as you're reading the manual what they're talking about. The gas is filled here on 50-to-1 mix. That's 50 parts oil to 1, or 50 parts gas to 1 part oil. A couple of cool things with the 81R. This machine allows you to rotate the handle by pulling out this piece here. Let's see that. By pulling this out here, and you can twist the handle to reset this machine to cut at different angles for ease. That's pretty sweet. The starting of this machine is, let me just quickly demonstrate that. Something it's easy to forget. This is in full choke position. This is in running position. So you got to set it on choke, which is the vertical. Running position shows a little line or a little choke piece straight up and down. Choke position is twisted. When you put it in choke position, machine on the ground, push down the safety feature, pull your trigger, and push in your lock. Make sure it's in the on position. And the key is when you pull and your engine kicks over, you need to flip the choke to its normal position quickly, otherwise you'll flood the engine. And that's, I think, the number one thing people often have trouble with when starting a small engine, is knowing when to hit that fast enough and when to hit it. So let's go ahead and do it once right now. You'll notice when I pull it out, I don't pull the string to as far as possible. I get a little looseness in it, and then I just give it a good short jerk. So what I did there was, as soon as it started, I gave it about a half a second, and then I flipped the choke from fully choked to operating. And then as it started to run well, I blipped the trigger, which releases the auto lock function on it. Like so. On off is here, if you ever need to turn the machine off. And we'll cut something with this so you can just get a feel for how it works. But this is an awesome machine.